Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you grammar topic models. In my previous video I explain you where we use can, could, will, shall, would, should. Now where we use may. It is used to express possibility. Possibility के लिए it may rain today. Permission, formal manner. Formal manner means अपने से बड़ों के लिए. May I come in, sir? In can we use informal manner for permission अपने से छोटों के लिए. For wish and blessings, may God bless you. To express a purpose, किसी पर्पस को शो करने के लिए we use may. He is working hard so that he may win a scholarship. वो हार्ड वर्क कर रहा है क्यों? स्कॉलरशिप विन करने के लिए. नाउ माइट, इट इज़ अ पास्ट टेंस ऑफ मे. टू एक्सप्रेस लेस पॉसिबिलिटी, बहुत कम संभावना होना. योर पर्स माइट बी इन द लिविंग रूम. अनदर एग्जाम्पल, द स्काई इज क्लियर, इट माइट बी रेन. टू एक्सप्रेस परमिशन, परमिशन लेने के लिए माइट आई स्पीक now. To make a guess, that might be the postman. Must, to express obligation or duty, you must obey the law. To express necessity or compulsion, जहाँ हमें ज़रूरत है या compulsion है, तुम्हें ये काम करना ही पड़ेगा. He must obey my orders. To express emphatic advice or determination, you must see a doctor at once. To express conclusion, assumption or strong probability, your phone is switched off, your mother must be worried about you. यहाँ पूरी संभावना है कि तुम्हारा फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ है तो तुम्हारी मदर वरीड हो रही होगी. Need, to express absence of necessity or compulsion in the negative and interrogative sentences. Need is used in negative and interrogative sentences. You need not pay the bill. Need I speak to him? Ought. Ought is used to express the subject's obligation or duty. It is always followed by to infinitive. We ought to help the poor. To give advice, जब हम advice देते हैं, we ought to do more exercise. Dare, meaning be bold enough to or to have courage. It is also used in negative and interrogative sentences. How dare you speak to me like that? Now the last, used to. It is used to express past habit. Past habit के बारे में बताता है. He used to play cricket when he was young. To express the existence of something in the past. Past में कोई चीज़ कैसी थी, उस चीज़ के बारे में, उसके अस्तित्व के बारे में बताता है. For example, there used to be a garden in this place long ago. Long ago, बहुत पहले यहाँ पर एक गार्डन हुआ करता था. I hope you will understand. Thank you.